Hello. In this video, we will learn about product-specific settings. Let's talk about the key features and benefits. Preview image settings. It allows you to make product-specific preview image settings. Allow to upload Excel. It allows the customer to upload Excel file data to mass personalized templates. You can change scaling factor for the print-ready file. You can control product-specific upload button settings. It allows product-specific label personalization. Also, it gives extra pricing attributes for the pricing of each product. Let's have a look into admin. Go to Products, Settings. Here, we have General Settings tab, where we can see Preview Image Settings. This allows you to adjust image preview width and height with default DPI. Allow to upload CSV. It will allow your customers to do mass template personalization. The scaling factor helps you to resize your order PDF with respect to this factor. Next, we have Default Quantity. It will allow you to set the default product quantity to be displayed at the front store. Also, it allows you to set an interval, in which the quantity value will arithmetically progress into the multiples of with a pipe separator. Example, 20 is to 10, where 20 is the default quantity, and 10 is the interval, thus quantity will increase as 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60, and so on. This quantity interval features are not applicable for fixed quantity-based products. Enable promotional text on the title will allow you to show promotional text on the product title. Product promotional text. Here you can put a promotional text, for example, 50% off. Product badge pattern. Here you can choose different types of badge patterns to show on the product box, display on the home page, or category page. Display visual price calculator. It will allow your customers to see the size and options in image format. In Pages for visual price calculator, you choose the location where you want to display the visual price calculator. On the storefront, product info page, product additional info page, or on both. Next, you can enable the large preview option, so customers can see visual price calculator images in a large preview pop-up. Reward points earned will allow you to enter points for each $50 of the amount order price. If you want to skip the additional info page while ordering this product, you can enable this button. You can set reorder link action. When users click on it, whether you want them to go to shopping cart directly, or on the product additional info page. Enable JPEG file download. This will allow admin to download 300 dpi JPEG images for the ordered product instead of PDF file if this button is enabled. Under product information, you can put information here, and this will be carried forward to the order information when this product is ordered. Product pages customization class. This will allow you to put custom CSS class names here for the product information page. For example, you can change the action button color with a class name, suppose custom color given while creating CSS, and this name you can put in multiple products for the same color setting change. Download print file will allow only store users to download the print file, without placing an order from My Account. User save designs, or browse design, or additional options page landing via Designer Studio. It is also available for kit and predefined products. Next, we have an upload section, where you can set the upload button style, whether an individual button for each side, front and back, or one common button to upload both sides. Upload artwork later option allows you to show a button on the upload page, while placing an order, without uploading any artwork. Allow cloud file upload. Via this setting you can select, if you want to upload user designs to cloud storage, you can choose only cloud upload. In an external service setting, you can enable anyone cloud storage. Upload center proof will give you various options to choose from, for activities performed by the system, after the file has been uploaded. Image load options. This setting will work to decide the default image load option, for upload center proof flow. Allow multiple job. Enable this button to upload multiple job files, that is, product pages files using the Add More Job button on the Upload Center. Allow multiple file upload. You can enable this button to upload multiple files under a single job using the Add More File button. Enable PDF preview for upload file. If you enable it, uploaded PDF file will open in PDF Viewer. Next, we have product label personalization. Here you can change or customize the label name as per your website theme. The regular label names will be replaced by the new names. It gives flexibility to the admin to personalize their store, to give a more personalized feel to the customers. Next, we have a pricing tab. Here we can add setup cost as a fixed charge which will be added to the base price. Apply setup cost. You can choose if you want setup cost applicable for all times, or not in reorder cases. Higher designer cost, this will be added if the user selects the hire a designer option. Product minimum price, you can add a minimum price to be charged from your customers. In case, if the product price is above the minimum price, then the actual price will be charged. Also, this price does not include higher designer cost, template cost, etc. Minimum price applicable on, you can choose from which price you want to compare the minimum price to be shown. Here in Help, you can check how the calculation works in all three options. In Update Price List, you can enable this button to update the quantity-wise price in the price list. Start from price, it's a marketing and promotional trick that store owners use to attract more customers. The start price defined in the product settings will appear on the category landing pages of your website, schema.org microdata, and other shopping ads depending on your SEO strategy. This will not affect the total price calculation of the product. There are some settings based on the price defining method, let's check quickly. Under the General tab, here we have price calculation for CSV/Excel records. You can choose how to calculate the price for uploading bulk records via Excel. Restrict user to order quantity, enable this button to order quantity within allowed range for the product. For custom size products it can be possible to restrict both area and quantity. Multiple quantity input, when admin sets it to yes, then the system allows them to manage stock for multiple sizes. Rest of the settings are the same, in range based with multiplication product. Now, let's have a look into size-based products. In this, we have area-based restrict users to order quantity. Upload setting is the same as all. Only there is a custom size tab, where we can choose area lookup. Restrict size, in this, you can enter a minimum and maximum width and height. Allow cross dimension, it allows you to enter minimum/maximum width validation for height input, and minimum/maximum height validation for width input. Here in the Help section, you can check examples of how it works. Restrict size interval, you can restrict customers to enter height and width into the specified interval. Also, you can enable unit selection at the front store from the drop-down. You can add predefined sizes as well, to show in the price calculator. Thanks for watching this video, feel free to connect with us in case of any queries.